Build your first product. Go to Products, New Product. Choose your product type, mini course, coaching, membership. Name your product clearly. Create your first module. Add your lessons, videos, PDFs, worksheets. Upload your content. Save and publish your product. Build your landing page. Go to Website, Pages, New Page. Select a landing page or sales page, template. Edit your headline. Make it clear and benefits-driven. Edit your body text. Focus on transformation, not just features. Link your button to your offer or checkout page. Customize colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. Save and publish your landing page. Set up your checkout, offer. Go to Sales, Offers, New Offer. Connect your offer to your product. Set your pricing, one-time payment plan, subscription. Customize your checkout page. Add description, bonuses, testimonials. Connect Stripe and/or PayPal for payments. Save and publish your offer. Build your email list. Go to Marketing. Forms. New form. Name your form clearly. Example: freebie opt-in. Choose what happens after sign-up, thank you message or page. Connect your form to your landing page button. Optional, create tags for your new subscribers. Automate your funnel with pipelines. Go to Pipelines, New Pipeline. Choose a freebie pipeline or sales page pipeline template. Customize your opt-in page. Customize your thank you page. Write and set up your email sequence, $3.5 nurture emails. Connect your offer inside the emails. Turn your pipeline on bonus tips. Always preview your landing page and checkout page before publishing. Test your opt-in and freebie delivery to make sure it flows correctly. Keep your branding consistent across your pages and emails. Save all your Kajabi links in a master doc for easy access. Your Kajabi launch is ready. When you have one live product, one working landing page, one connected checkout page, offer, one active email, form one, live pipeline automation. At that point, you have a real system to start making sales on autopilot.